Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Miklas and today we will be doing the teaser of Lansum Encanto by Lansum and MK Reality, which is located in Nana Karamguda Financial District, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So that is your sales office and your land parcel is just right here. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So, stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. First one is the project overview. As you can see, it is going to be constructed on 5.7 acres of land parcel, featuring 3 towers with 4 basement ground and 60 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located on the Narsingis Nana Karamguda Service Road, Financial District, Hyderabad. So this is your entire connectivity. From here, you easily get connected to your Lanco Hills, Manikonda and other areas. The Khajaguda Hills is just 1.1 kilometers from here. There's a Flipside Adventure Park 5.2 kilometers away and even an AIG hospital 7.4 kilometers. Coming over to the amenities part, this project comes with a lot of luxurious amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse. There's going to be swimming pool, indoor and outdoor sports courts and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built up area, for 3 BHK it is 4055 to 4170 square feet and 4 BHK is 4955 to 5045 square feet. Now, coming to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. As of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will show you the pricing, payment schemes and everything that you need to know. You will also be taken at the actual location of the site, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of Lansum Encanto by Lansum and MK Reality, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.